I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to use a Safemark hotel room safe. So the first thing you're going to do is open the safe. It should be unlocked, and then you can put any of your valuables in there. So I'm just going to I'll put a K-cup. We'll pretend that's my valuable, but obviously jewelry or any kind of thing that you want to keep safe, a wallet. Then we're going to go ahead and close the safe. And then we're going to enter a code, and this can be any code. It's 4 digits in most cases, like on this model here. And I'm just going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, but it could be, whatever your own personal code might be. And you can see it's going to be displayed on there. Then we press lock, and I like to press and hold this closed, and then just test it and make sure that it's indeed locked. That's going to display the code one more time. Don't forget that code. You want to make sure it's something you're going to remember. Usually the front desk has a way to open these if you did forget it, but best not to if you can avoid it. Now to reopen this, when we come back, maybe we went out for the day and then come back and we want to get our valuables back out of the safe, we're going to go ahead and enter our code again. You can hear it open, and there we go. We're able to get back into the safe. Now, in some models, if you press lock again, it may allow you to use your code again, and some you have to enter it a second time. So every time you lock, you have to enter a new code, which I think is usually the best practice anyway, to make sure that it's not going to leave that code signed into the safe essentially. So again, just enter your code, press lock. When you're done, come back, enter the code again. It'll unlock, and that's how we keep things safe in our room.